How to add an event in a particular Microsoft Teams community. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can add an event in a particular community. So in order to start, the first thing that we're going to do is simply go to this communities tab over the left hand side, and then we're going to choose that particular community in which we will be going to add an event. So let's say I have chosen this YouTube community right here. Now, in this YouTube community, we have the different options like post announcements, and over the left hand side, you can see this events button, or you can also choose from here as well. So you can click onto this, create a new event, and then from here, you can see within this particular information that with your current team's plan, you can get up to 60 minutes per meeting with up to 100 participants. So this also defines the scope or the limit that you currently have, and you can also choose to upgrade it if you want. So nevertheless, we will be continuing to add our event with the free plan. So from here we can type in the name of the event, and after typing in the name, we're gonna specify the time. So let's say 1st of January 2026 at 2:30 to 1st of January 2026 till 3 p.m. And from here, since this is a 30-minute event, if you want to have an all day event, you can choose this to all day as well. Also, you can choose the frequency. If this is a repetitive event, you can choose in the location if you'd like, and also create some agendas for the same which you can paste here. And once that has been done, you can click onto the send button, and this will be sent to all of the people which are currently in your particular channel, or let's say in your particular team. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.